Hello and welcome back to Tesla's Tales UK. Today I'm looking into some exciting news that's set to revolutionise how we charge electric vehicles here in the UK. Connected Kerb are one of the leading charge point operators here in the country and is rolling out smart charging across its public network. So let's take a look. Smart charging is a game changer. It allows EV drivers to schedule their charging during off-peak hours. This means not only saving money, but also cutting carbon emissions and reducing pressure on our national grid. By 2025, the majority of Connected Kerb charge points will support smart charging. This includes offering lower overnight tariffs, which is fantastic news for EV drivers. Imagine plugging in your car before heading off to bed and waking up to a fully charged vehicle at a fraction of the cost. It's estimated that drivers could save up to £222 a year with these lower costs. That's the equivalent of 495 free EV miles. Think about all the places you could go with those extra miles. Connected Kerb's Chief Digital Officer has emphasised that public charging will be a catalyst for creating a fairer, greener and cheaper charging network for all EV drivers. It's all about making EVs more accessible and sustainable for everyone. Connected Kerb's Chief Digital Officer has said that public charging is essential for achieving a greener future. By optimising when and how we charge our EVs, we can reduce costs for drivers, lowering our carbon footprint and easing the demand on our energy infrastructure. Anyway, at Tesla's Tales, we believe the power of smart technology to drive us forward and help us sustain a sustainable future. Connected Kerb's initiative is a significant step forward in the right direction, ensuring that EV charging is efficient, affordable and environmentally friendly. Anyway, that's it for today's episode, albeit very short. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell for notifications and leave us a comment. Remember, always drive safe and above all, keep it charged. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.